Goats are amazing creatures and there's nothing like fresh, creamy milk straight from the source. But what happens when your goat starts producing less milk than usual? Whether you're a seasoned goat owner or just starting out, this can be a bit worrisome. Don't worry. Today we're going to walk you through some simple yet effective ways to boost your goat's milk production. Let's start with the basics. If your goat's milk output drops, the first thing to check is what she's eating. Goats are grazers, but they need a well-balanced diet to keep producing that delicious milk. Next, consistency is key. Are you milking her regularly? Ideally, you should be milking twice a day, and if you're not, that could be contributing to the drop in milk production. Check for udder health. If there are any lumps, warmth, or signs of redness, your goat may be dealing with mastitis, an infection that can reduce milk production. Don't wait, get her checked by a vet. Stress is another hidden culprit. Goats are sensitive creatures, and a stressed goat might stop producing as much milk. Make sure your goat is in a quiet, comfortable environment, away from loud noises and sudden changes. If your goat's milk supply is still low, it could be a sign of a health issue like parasites or a hormonal imbalance. A visit to the vet can help rule out any underlying medical concerns. Sometimes it's just time for a break. If your goat has been milking for a long time, her body might need a rest. Allow her to dry off before her next lactation cycle and you'll find she comes back stronger and healthier. Remember, every goat is different, and sometimes a little TLC is all it takes to get that milk supply back up. By checking her diet, routine, and health, you'll be on the right path to ensuring your goat stays happy and productive. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more goat care advice. And remember, a healthy goat is a happy goat. Keep those bellies full and those milk pails overflowing. Super subscribe for more goat care tips.